How to make money with 3D printing. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 different methods on how you can make money with 3D printing. There are quite some interesting ways for you to make money with it. Just a quick disclaimer, this is not a get-rich-quick type of thing. I'm going to show you legit and proper ways for you to make money with 3D printing and design. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching, and let's just get started. Alright, so 3D printing has become and is becoming really popular over the last couple of years, especially the last couple of months because of TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and other social media platforms where people are posting content of 3D printing. Now because of that, 3D printing has proven to be a great way to make money. People are even selling houses that are made through 3D printing, actual real houses that people can live in. So there's already a lot of money in this industry that is forming and growing as we speak, and you can start yourself and make money with it. So the first method is selling your designs. In order to produce something with a 3D printer, you need a design. Now what you can do is create designs and then sell them to people on the internet or even in real life. If you sell designs on the internet, you can scale a lot easier, and you can make a lot of money doing so. Here's one of the websites you can use for this. It's called My Mini Factory. If you scroll down a bit right here on the homepage, you can click on For Makers, and it will take you to this page right here. So there are thousands of 3D printable designs. Once again, in order to actually create a 3D printed product, you need a design. Now what you can do is become one of those designers on the platform, and you can start selling those 3D designs. So if you click on that blue link, this page will show up. This is where you can set up your own store and you can join the global marketplace. If you simply type in, let's say for example, tripod in the search bar, you'll be able to find these products and designs that I can then buy. So that is what you're selling. You're not selling the actual product. You're selling the design of the product. So you can basically create designs on this website and start selling them to other people. You can open your own store for only $25 per month, and you can earn and keep 90% from the sales you make. The good thing about this website is that it will bring organic traffic to your store because people go to this website to buy stuff. So it's pretty much organic traffic where you get to keep 90% of sales. That's actually very decent. This is just one of the 5 methods I'm gonna show you. And this is also just one website. You can Google similar websites like this one and start selling on different websites so you can diversify your income. Method number 2 is selling your products on Etsy. In case you don't know what Etsy is, it's an online marketplace where people can buy all sorts of products, and it's also a place where you can post and sell your own products. This includes 3D printed products. If we search for 3D printed, all of these products will come up. These are products that people are making money from selling. The good thing about Etsy is that it also is a website that drives organic traffic to your store. That means that you can start your own store and start posting products, and Etsy will start listing your products on the website for free. In other words, that means that you don't have to stress about building your own traffic or audience to get sales. Etsy works like any other e-commerce store where you can search up products, add them to cart, and check out. Now let's take a look at, for example, this 3D printed product right here. It has 14,000 sales at 33 Australian dollars. This product right here has made $460,000. That's some crazy money right there. So you can just imagine yourself how much potential this method has. You can literally sell any kind of 3D printed product and decide the pricing of the products yourself. As we can see, people are selling all kinds of stuff. Method number 3 is selling courses on a platform called Skillshare. Skillshare is one of the most popular platforms for selling courses, masterclasses, or just educational content in general. This method is for you guys that have some experience with 3D printing. You can start creating content about how to get started with 3D printing. There are various ways of making money with this method. You can sign up for the Skillshare affiliate platform, which basically pays you $10 for each sign up through your personal affiliate link. Let's say you, for example, have a course about how to get started with 3D printing, or how to create specific designs. You can create and record a course, which you can then sell on different course platforms, such as Skillshare. Another platform you can use is Teachable. These are just some examples. You can use any course platform out there. You don't need to worry about making high-quality content with expensive gear like a camera and microphone. You can record using your phone, and the quality will turn out just fine. To get started, you just click right here on Get Started for free, and then you sign up for an account. If you click on one of these classes, you can see that people are actually selling courses and making a lot of money for it. You can also earn $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare, and that does include a sign up for the free trial for the platform. And when you promote your own class, you can earn $10 per sign up. This is actually pretty good. You can join for free and you can start promoting it. It's not as hard as it may seem. You just create and publish your classes. Then you grow your following and start earning money. Method number 4 is creating content on YouTube about 3D printing. You're watching a video about 3D printing right now on YouTube, which means that I can make some money through ads on the video. Let's look at some example channels. These channels right here are making content about 3D printing, and we can see that it is a pretty popular topic on YouTube right now. This channel right here has almost 2 million subscribers, and they're posting videos like these which are getting a lot of views. This video has over 2 million views alone, and an ad revenue that translates to a lot of money, especially if the topic of 3D printing has a high CPM. This other channel has 15,000 subscribers, and this video was posted this year and has already accumulated over 400,000 views. This last example channel has almost 100,000 subscribers, and this video has over 300,000 views. So as you can see, there's a lot of potential within the 3D printing niche on YouTube, and it's only growing and growing as more and more people are getting interested in the topic. Method 5 is brand deals. This method goes under Method 4, where you create content about 3D printing for YouTube. As you grow your channel, you'll attract sponsorships and brand deals, which alone can make you a lot of money, sometimes even more than the ad revenue itself. Brand deals can sometimes be 5 figures or even 6 figures, depending on how big your channel is. In addition to that, you can earn money through affiliate links that you can put in your description box. As we can see with this channel, he's probably earning a lot of money with these links, in addition to the YouTube ad revenue. So there's actually a lot of different ways of making money with YouTube, and with time, as you grow your channel and grow your subscribers and following, you can even create your own personal brand and start selling your own products to your viewers. As another example, you can also start selling merch, such as hoodies and t-shirts. So that's pretty much it. To sum it up, you can make money with 3D printing through these 5 methods: selling designs, selling products on Etsy, selling courses, creating content for YouTube, and last but not least, brand deals and sponsorships. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.